My name is Shane Scott. I was involved in a car accident and...
My name is Araceli Pasaña. I'm 42 years old. I've suffered from back pain for quite a few years.
Edgar M. Davis. I have a real bad sciatic and it was killing me. I couldn't walk.
Things start going. It wasn't quite right in my body and aches and pains start coming.
Before I couldn't do anything at all. The walking, the bending, the stretching, the picking up my granddaughter and picking up groceries, it's very hard for me.
A little bit of depression because my left side was my strong side.
Just made life very much harder in a sense.
I've already sought other chiropractic help before, and nothing had really worked until I started seeing Dr. Jimenez.
I was very surprised that just a simple adjustment and a realignment of our spine could have such benefits.
So I came to him and he's been doing work on me, and it's been like, we're going on 7 days, and I seem to be improving a lot more with him than what I've done with other therapists that I've been going to.
The headaches are going down dramatically and my back feels much better.
I used to always have to have my kids go to the store with me because I couldn't lift anything more than 5 pounds. Now I can do a lot of things on my own.
Oh, tremendous. I come and I'm a little broken, a little sore, but by the time I leave, it's like, yay, I'm all better, yes.